Platform alteration. The 1732 Stepford Connect service to Leighton West will now depart from Platform 3.
This is St Helens
Platform
Bridge.
3 for the
This train is for Leighton
1732
West.
Stepford Connect
The next
service
station
to
is
Leighton West
Ellesmere Junction.
via Berrily. Calling at Ellesmere Junction, Berrily, Morganstown, Hampton Hargate, Wharton Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, and Leighton West. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Your attention, please. The 1742 Metro service to
Welcome on board
Stepford Bay
Stepford Connect
has been
service.
cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew